Hi friends, look at this. This is a mammalian kidney. So I took a goat's kidney. You can see here the notch called hilum. Through this notch only, the renal artery enters into the kidney, as well as a renal vein comes out from the kidney. Ureters also starts from this notch. This is the notch where ureters arises. To observe internal structure of kidney, we need to cut kidney longitudinally like this. Now you are going to see the internal structure of kidney. Look at this. This is the longitudinal section of kidney. Here you can see the dark color region. This is called renal cortex, and this lighter region is called renal medulla. In the medulla region, you can see small triangular structures. Look at this. These small triangular structures we called as renal pyramids. The functional units of kidneys are nephrons. These are located in medulla and cortex region of kidney. Now have a close look at the mammalian